Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to set your home screen wallpaper differently with your lock screen picture. So if I would like to show you my lock screen picture right now, this is my lock screen picture. So I will like to make the different picture for my home screen. So to do that, you just need to open the settings applications, and after that you just need like scrolling down, and after that you will see here there will be a wallpaper options right here, so just click them. And after that they will be bring you into the wallpaper sections, and the first things you see here is the current wallpaper that you use right now. So to customize your home screen to be different with the lock screen, you'll see here. So this one is for your lock screen and this one is for your home screen. If you want to customize the home screen, just go click this customize right here, and now that there will be an options down part here. There will be appear, color, gradients, and photo. If you want to change the picture for your home screen, just go click this photo, and you will be bring into this photo library, and just go click all, and you just need to pick which photo that you want to set as your wallpaper. So let's say here I would like to use this for my wallpaper, so you just need to go click them. And you can also adjusting the position, you can like make it smaller, and you can also adjusting the positions where you want to make this picture shown up into your home screen. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click done, and go click done again, and here you go. So you will got this lock screen picture with this home screen picture. That is the way, guys, how to customize your home screen differently with your lock screen. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next tutorial.